sun, calling all the animals, come on everyone, from the forest hills and sky so blue. Let's dance together, me and you. Come sing with me. Let's build a world of love in 3D. Hop and skip in the shining light. Let's make this valley sparkle bright. The kingdom wakes up, oh, 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 oh. The kingdom wakes up, oh, oh, oh. 3D animals rise and play, jump in the colors of a brand new day. Spin around in the golden breeze, dance with the flowers, the rocks, the trees.
Oh, the shepherd boy is singing free. Come dance with Liam in 3D. Laugh and cheer, the fun begins. A magical world where friendship wins.
Oh, from the bushes ran a fox named Flicker. His tail glowed gold like moving fire. Flicker sang,
Hey shepherd boy, I've heard your tune. It's brighter than the silver moon.
I'll jump and twirl with my golden tail. Your melody flows like a fairy tale. Liam laughed. Come on, Flicker, let's dance.
And the fox spun in beautiful 3D particles, making golden swirls in the air.
A gentle deer named Bluebell followed.
Bluebell sang, with every step I shine so bright. My hooves make sparkles in the light. Your song is calling far and near, and I am happy to appear.
Together they danced around Liam,
Forming glowing circles of blue and gold in the air.
the kingdom wakes up.
Jenny, oh flute, we hear your call.
The kingdom wakes up.
The little shepherd boy invites us all.
Let's sing aloud, let's cheer with glee to the magical rhythm of the valley. Bigger, brighter, louder.
Bigger, brighter, lighter.
Every creature join the show.
Come one, come all, let your heart be free.
Dance with the shepherd boy in 3D. A big fluffy brown bear named Bongo stepped forward. Bongo rumbled happily. Boom, 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 hear my beat. I've got rhythm in my feet. Let me drum along your song. I'll keep the tempo strong and long.
The ground vibrated like a soft drum.
Then came a flock of rainbow birds. Tweet, tweet, let's lift the melody high and sweet. With wings of color soft and bright, we'll paint the sky with dancing light.
They flew in spirals, making rainbow trails above Liam's head. Rainbow birds fly wild and free.
Together we're one big family.
The animals form rows and circles. Some twirled, some hopped, some flew.
The camera swooped through shining leaves and sparkling lights.
Animals so
Can live, jump up high, touch the clouds in the bright blue sky.
shake your tail.
Flap your wings, this volley of joy is where
Love sings. Liam danced right in the middle, flute glowing like magic.
for his spirit clear.
Suddenly the body trembled gently. From the rainbow tree came a majestic 3D spirit animal, a giant glowing lion named Orion, made of pure shimmering light.
Play and sport with a gentle voice.